Welcome back, guys. Today is the first edition of our new series, Tuned and Delivered. We have in the bay today this beautiful 2000 Porsche Carrera 4. This vehicle came in with a lot of issues, mainly the radio displaying the error code. The owner of this Carrera 4 obviously spent some good money buying the equipment. A set of JL Audio C5 653s in the front, a set of Hertz CX 130s coaxial speakers in the rear, and also a double 8-inch ported JL Audio box in behind the seats. After going through the installation that was done in this Porsche Carrera 4, we found that a lot of wires were not insulated, wires were touching, a couple of speakers were out of phase. This is the reason why you don't take your car to the flea market to get the stereo system done. Whomever did that install,
I'm sorry. Ouch!
Actually caused the amplifier to lose one of the channels. So the customer had to actually buy a new 5-channel Kenwood amplifier to replace the one that was defective. So after rectifying all these issues, the system was retuned, and let's now hear what it sounds like. Let's go to USB 1.
Where's the magic gone? Where did it run to? Never thought it'd leave, but I'm left with an emptiness. Won't you tell me where the magic's gone? Back when I was young, it was all around. Everywhere.
system sounded when it came in a couple days ago. Wow, what a difference. Alright, guys, this has been another BFSQ tune and delivery session. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.